Reading Mama.
Mia, get up. It's 7 o'clock. Remember? It's Mum's birthday. We planned to make breakfast for Mum.
Yes, I remember. Pancakes. What shall we do?
Number 1 rule. We should change and wash our hands.
Okay. 1, 2. I have 2 towels. You can use this.
Thank you. Next, an apron.
1, 2, 3. There are 3 aprons. I will wear the purple one.
I will wear the blue one.
What are you doing?
I'm checking the recipe. We need a bowl.
Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 balls. Which one do you want?
The left one, please.
Sure. Oops. Here is a ball.
Thanks. We need more ingredients. Let's check our fridge. I got the milk. We need eggs.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 eggs.
Cool.
Whoops, now we have 3 eggs.
I think we have everything to make pancakes.
Yes.
Let's start.
I'm sorry.
We need a frying pan.
I will get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 frying pans. Which one do you want?
The big one.
Sure. Smells good.
What are you doing?
I will make orange juice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 oranges. Look at these. How many pancakes did you make?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I made 8 pancakes.
Look, I have strawberries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 strawberries. It will be nice with pancakes. It looks great.
Wait a minute. Mum likes flowers. Shall we go pick some flowers?
That's a good idea. Let's go. How many flowers do you have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10 flowers. I think it's enough.
Let's go inside.
What's going on?
Smells really nice here.
Happy birthday, Mum.
We made breakfast for you.
Oh, thank you.
Mum, how old are you? 20? 30. 40 years old?
Maybe Mum is 50 years old. Maybe 60 years old? 70?
No.
80?
Stop.
Maybe 90 years old?
Maybe. I think your mum is 100 years old.
100?
Reading Mama.